Hellshire Beach is disappearing right in front of our eyes.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, some restaurant operators at the Hellshire Beach in St. Catherine are currently in dire straits as coastal erosion there has already claimed several businesses. Concrete structures have been damaged and in some instances totally destroyed as the sea continues to undercut the very foundations of these structures. Leaving large cracks in walls and floors. There was once enough beach between the shops and the sea that football and volleyball were regular activities for Hellshire visitors. Now, that is almost gone. Looking at old photos to compare the shoreline, it is clear to see that a wide stretch of sandy beach has withered away over time. The issues facing Hellshire are multifactorial, with global warming and the sea level rise the main protagonist. A mix of pollution and warmer temperatures linked to climate change are big contributors to the erosion ravaging the coastline. The warmer seas have led to coral bleaching, killing the coral reefs offshore, which results in more destructive waves attacking and eroding the coastline. Numerous attempts have been made to stem the tide, so to speak, with the erection of gabion baskets. But even they are no match for Mother Nature's fury. Seawalls of varying designs and groins have been employed to aid in the fight against the unrelenting march of the sea, but they too are starting to show the strain. Unfortunately for those who make a living from the beach, the impact has been just absolutely devastating, and the livelihood of more fishermen and vendors are being threatened, despite valiant attempts to improve the situation. From a geographical perspective, the best solution may include abandoning the beach entirely to allow it to recover, or at least restricting access. And sure, these suggestions will not be very popular, but the truth never is.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!